In front of me is Honor 600 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to launch Messages app and select or create a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Now, to take a photo and add it, use camera portion of your screen. Snap a picture, and once you do, it will be automatically attached, so all you need to do is send it. To pick already existing one or existing ones, use the same icon. Hold this line and drag it up to access all of your photos. Now click on the ones you wanna send and hit done. Following that, just send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!